The DREHTAINER-developed system for docking vehicle-mounted containers allows for the first time to accommodate functional rooms while retaining their mobility and at the same time keeping them protected. Before the operation starts, the vehicles are fitted with the two major components, the docking frame and the dockable ISO 20-foot container. These components can be integrated into every existing vehicle that is suitable for carrying a container. The setup of the system requires only a previously inspected site on sufficiently trafficable ground. Cost and time-consuming soil preparations are not necessary. If required, the containers are protected against blast impacts or ballistic threats. Also, an RF shielding attenuation of the modules or the installation of an NBC defense system are possible. The walls are removed after arriving at the site, for example like here the soft-skinned side walls. The co-drivers direct the drivers to their final parking positions. This can be done with 3 vehicles at the same time. The co-driver now releases the transport lashing from the docking frame. In the next step, he offsets the difference in height and inclination to the adjacent vehicle. He then controls the docking frame so that the container is moved out of the contour of its carrier vehicle. Guiding cones make the docking of the containers easier. The containers are connected by means of coupling screws. All setup steps can be done at the same time. When the mission has been fulfilled, the screws are released, the containers are moved into their transport position, the walls are reinserted and readiness to move is established. The vehicles may then go on to their next mission. Docking of more than 3 vehicles. In order to dock additional containers to the modules, the vehicles at both sides of the center vehicle move away. The containers are connected so tightly that the remaining vehicle can easily carry them. The DREHTAINER system for docking vehicle-mounted containers offers quick setup and disassembly, large vehicle-mounted functional rooms, high-level protection, usability on existing vehicles. Option: operation on the ground. Should the configured functional room be operated on the ground, the hydraulic supports integrated in the containers are extended. The remaining 3 vehicles are not required anymore. In the last step, the docked containers are lowered by means of the hydraulic supports.